Hi, thank you everyone for watching. Do you remember the Aero Avanti Black Special? This video is about finalizing the work of the buggy. In the first part of the video is about the customized cockpit, and in the latter, the spray work of the body. By the way, Eric Silvo and Vossett comprises various DIY projects. If you like my videos, please subscribe to me. I will be so grateful. Now let's start. The Aero Avanti cockpit was built from that of the original Avantis. The front portion of the cockpit was cut off and replaced by one made with Tamiya plastic board. And it should be sharp enough to fit with the window of the Aero Avanti. And this helmet was painted by myself. The dashboard meters were also made with Tamiya plastic board. This is what the cockpit will look like after the work. Attaching the cockpit is not difficult. Just add a rectangular plastic tube in between the tracers and the cockpit. As to the spray work, it was based on the Mini Aero Avanti Black Special. Now the work is done.